Hey everyone, welcome back to our video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can poke someone on Facebook. So now let's get started. First, go ahead, open your Facebook application on your mobile device, log into your account, and after that, now once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the search icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now from this page, you need to simply go ahead, search for poke. Now go to the pokes section, which is indicating poke your friends and see who has poked you. Now, this will take you to this kind of interface and it will show you the list of all your friends. And here you'll see the option of poke beside their profile. From here, you can choose a person to poke. So go ahead and tap on this poke option, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it. This is how you can poke someone on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.